Stay here. Okay? We're gonna fix the gun.
Why you put a picture?
So that you will see how you fix the gun. So that later we know how to put it back.
You need to move that.
Okay?
Can I hold my gun?
Later.
Can I hold that?
Oh, this you should keep, because if you lose this
I'll not
screw,
use that.
if you lose this screw, you can never fix the gun. Okay?
I'll not use that. I'll just keep it under here. I'll just keep it under here.
Okay, put it here. Here. Okay? Don't put it in. Don't put anything. Just keep it.
Give me
Oh.
another one.
Oh.
Give me another
So
one.
it's how. Ah. So the spring.
Interesting. Oh, disappeared that acropadrogra.
Abracadabra.
Oh.
There's ball inside.
It's dramatic queen.
Huh?
Basketball. So, why there's ball inside?
I don't know.
Because
You put ball inside.
but I did not get it. We have to read.
You touch with the hammer.
Yes. Oh, what are you doing?
It's magic.
What did you do with that?
It's a magic.
What?
It's a magic. Just watch.
Don't magic my ball.
I'm gonna magic your ball.
No! No!
I'm just kidding. Okay, just watch. I just need to. No, it's okay. It's not. I'm not gonna take it. No, I'm not gonna take it. Just watch.
It gonna fire the grasshopper.
No. I need to heat it up so that I can make a hole on your gun.
Oh, in a gun.
Yes.
I'm not holding that.
Yes, because it's
It's like a fire and then.
it's not light, it's a fire.
It's like a big fire. Hey, what are you doing?
See? I'm making a hole on your gun.
Thanks. That's nice. That's nice.
That's nice.
Yes.
What do you think I'm doing?
Fixing my gun.
Do you think I can fix your gun?
Yes.
Why?
Teeny Weeny Boo. Teeny Weeny. His name is Teeny Weeny Boo. Teeny Weeny Boo. Hey. I'm not touching anything. I'm not touching.
Okay.
Because that is pointed.
Yes.
It's for you. Popo,
Yes.
what are you doing?
I'm heating it up. I'm heating the nail so that later.
I can kill my insects,
Don't kill your insects. They want to live as well.
but I kill my grasshopper, and it's dead now.
It's hot. Oh, see?
It's not moving. It's just a toy.
Now it has a hole in it. It's done.
Done.
See? Now, I need to put something in this so that you can pull it out when you want to
Fire.
shoot.
Shoot. Watch.
Okay? Wait. Stay there. Don't move again, huh? This is hot, okay? See? Oh. Don't touch anything, Alex. Are you not touching anything?
Why not?
Are you sure? You're not touching anything?
Yeah.